In today's video, we are going to be focusing on chemistry practical Waec 2025, question number 2, which is called SWOT analysis. Now, we are given, according to the instruction, we are given one is salt, then the other one is organic compound. We are given two substances. First one is salt, that is copper sulfate, then the second one is glucose. Now, we are going to run analysis on copper sulfate and glucose. So we are going to mix these two together called sample C. So I'm going to mix it together, that is copper sulfate plus glucose, known as sample C. Sample C. Now I'm going to run a simple analysis on sample C now. Sample C plus put sample C, the measure of these two is called sample C and put sample C plus 10 cm cube of existing water. Add water to it. Now you observe that C is solved completely to give a pale blue solution. Now some of you can write C is solved completely to give a light blue solution, but I try to work with table, it's okay. Now here, inference, right? C is a mixture of two soluble substances. Please remind, do not put salt here because we are not given two salt here. The first one is salt, while this one is organic compound. This is a salt. I know some students will make mistakes here. So this one is organic compound. So please do not put salt here. So C is a mixture of two soluble substances. Now when you look at the color is blue. So you have to mind that the copper 2 ion is suspended. Is it better now? So please let this one show in your inference. Because this one is 1 mark, this one is 1 mark. Now another question is that why we like to test for this ion, for the copper ion. Now, how will Waec test for this? They are going to use two reagents. They are going to use the first one, they are going to use NaOH, that's sodium hydroxide, aqueous sodium hydroxide, and ammonia. That is naked. So now, so far that we have mixed the two together now, we call this solution now, it has become solution, not C again. Please, not solid again. It has become what? It has become solution. Now, students normally do mistake here putting C. It says C plus no. It has become solution because you already had the water for it. Now. So some students can write solution C, while some students can write C, they are giving sample. So that you can have to label the depending on the question, what you are doing the question, what are you going to do. Now, if you want to put the sample C now, you put sample, you label it one C also. So and here, this one is you can write solution C or aqueous. Some can write solution C plus litmus paper, salam, or C aqueous plus litmus paper. So you can write like that. You can write two different ways. Is it now? So the number one, you write solution C plus litmus paper or C aqueous plus litmus paper. Now, we have two litmus paper, we have red litmus paper, blue litmus paper. Now, solution C turns blue litmus paper, red. This one is red. Solution C turns blue litmus paper, red. Now, if you put if you try to insert or put or you want to test it with the red litmus paper, that's no action on it now. So you have to mind that it has no reaction on the red litmus paper. That one is not an alkali now. So you have a mind. So assuming that this one already knows how to do now. This one will be alkali now. So it's an alkali. So when that it turns blue litmus paper red, the solution is acidic. Now do you understand that? And has no effect on red litmus paper, or you can put solution C turns blue litmus paper red and add no action on red litmus paper is also correct. Is it clear now? Now correct also. Is it clear now? So solution C or C aqueous is acidic. Anyone? So number 3. 2 centimeter cube of solution C. Now you can divide the solution into 3 portions or 3 times 3 portions of 3. Now the first one, 2 centimeter cube of solution C plus sodium hydroxide in drop pay through the reaction precipitate. That is tomato plus present. So in essence, you try to add more, in essence, add more in essence. Precipitate remain insoluble with tomato plus present. Then number 4, 2 cm to the another portion of it, 2 cm cube of solution C. The first one here is the first portion. Here is the second portion. Now to the first portion, I add the first reagent, which is sodium hydroxide solution. Then to the second portion now, I want to add aqueous ammonia. Now to the second portion, add aqueous ammonia in drop, then in excess. So in drop now, here blue the reactant precipitate, that is copper 2 plus is present here. So plus excess ammonia, that is try to add ammonia in excess. Add ammonia in excess to this particular solution here in drop. Then in excess, add it in excess, more, put more. So pay blue the reactant precipitate dissolve to give a deep blue solution. So when you try to add it in what? In excess, the color remain what? Remain deep blue solution. Is it clear now? Please divide it here. Not pale, it's not still a pale blue, it is deep blue coloration solution. Do you understand that now? Please be careful, class. Student, am I communicating? Now, copper 2 plus is confirmed. Now that's how you can confirm copper ion. You understand what I'm saying now? So by testing the copper sulfate using 2 reagents, sodium hydroxide, aqueous ammonia. Now the next one is B. Now to the third portion now, 2 centimeter cube of solution C plus barium chloride, then plus what? Plus dilute HCl in aqueous. So please, there is something here I want to ship in. Now, please be careful here. Why can pick between these two, but I don't know which of this one will come first. Is it clear now? Is it that this or this? Now be careful. If this comes first, white choky precipitate forms. Then CO3 2 minus, SO3 2 minus, SO4 2 minus, S2 minus is present. Now these are the ions that is present when you add barium chloride to the solution. Is it now? Solution C, the third portion, add barium chloride. Is it now? So a white choky precipitate form. Now these are the ions that is present. Now plus dilute HCl, white precipitate remain insoluble. So if it is soluble, if it is insoluble in HCl now, it is SO4 2 minus that is confirmed. Is it now? So the remaining ones are soluble. So it is SO4 2 minus that is not soluble. That is not soluble in dilute HCl. Now please be careful. White precipitate remain insoluble. Now the ion that is present is SO4 2 minus is confirmed. Now number 3. Now 2 centimeter cube of solution C also plus dilute HCl. Now look at this. This one comes first here. We try to add HCl. We add HCl first before barium chloride. But here we add barium chloride first before HCl. Now be careful. Now here when you add HCl, no visible reaction. No visible reaction. Now SO4 2 minus, SO4 3 2 minus, this one is CO3 2 minus, SO4, SO3 2 minus, then S2 minus. Is it clear now? These ions are absent here. So please be careful. These 3 ions here, they are absent. Is it clear now? So when you try to add barium chloride to it now, why precipitate 4? Then SO4 2 minus 1. Then to this. Now, this 2, that is the only way you can test for what they call for glucose. For glucose. Now, to the last portion of it, half centimeter cube of solution C plus sodium hydroxide in aqueous. Then heat gently. Heat. Now, when you add sodium hydroxide solution to it, pale blue precipitate, I believe you understand that is a simple one. We discussed this earlier. Now, water plus present. Then, solution here, apply it. Reddish brown precipitate formed. Reddish brown precipitate formed. Now, this shows that whether we have a reddish brown precipitate, it is sugar or glucose present. Is it clear now? And another one that you can test for glucose is this. 2 centimeter cube of solution plus a ferry solution. The solution, you add ferry solution. The gas, you add a ferry solution A plus a ferry solution B. So, or add, let's just say, add ferry solution plus water. So, it is in a reddish brown precipitate formed. Now, using sugar or glucose present. Or, here, some people like to write a brick red precipitate form. Is it clear now? You are correct. Is it clear now? So please, here in this SWOT analysis, I run this SWOT analysis very well, and I believe this is 98% sure that it will come out like this. I bet it. So students, do sit down, read over and over again. Please, I'm begging. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, then try to give this video a thumbs up. Then I want to say something again here that in this practical number 2, you can write. If you see something like this on your exam, you can write. Do you understand what I'm saying? There's no penalty here. Is it like all this mark is 1 mark? Is it like 1 mark? So just try and better the mark. Here I said be careful, not substance. Is it like now? And here, please try to be mindful of this thing. When some of you say, see the salt, see soluble. See it's not soluble here. It is soluble supposed to have been under inference, not here. So please students be careful. Please be careful. Do you understand what I'm saying now? So if you fail this chemistry, this time around, I'm going to blow you. I'm serious. I'm going to blow you. Because I'm shouting now. Read this thing very well. Now, thank you. Then, so in my next video, I'm going to discuss the practical one. I'm going to post some questions.